Yes, hello Abir, Assalamu alaikum. How are you? After a very long time.
Welcome, Salam sir. Yes, sir,
Yeah,
my pre-boards just got over.
yeah. So you guys take too seriously those like because those are now not that much important. Yeah, because
Sir, they're for stream selection, that's why. Because we don't get our board marks immediately, so for streams, we have to get
oh,
higher.
oh yeah, because when I was giving my when I used to give my pre-board exam, so in those days. I used to write songs in the paper, right? In half an hour, I used to come out of that examination hall so we used to do so many things in those. So we didn't take seriously those people, right? But yeah, so selection process they are doing due to this because already they have your ninth standard mark, right? On the basis of that, they can choose or they can give their streams, right? Oh, that's why these are important. Oh, so what have you decided? Which stream that you are interested
So I'll probably take bio major, and then for side, I might take IP or CS, computer science, maybe.
in? Science, yeah. So that is, yeah, because in today's world, there are so many data that are available, right? You have those Netflix and you have those Amazon and all those things. So they collect too many data. And you need to understand or so to have some understanding about those data, you need computer science and those AI and those machine learning. That is quite an interesting computer science. Yeah. Good choice. So let us wait for others, right? And yeah, we have just started the revision. So now, yes, hello, Shaima, assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum salam.
So you see, Abir has just returned after a long layback. So now she has just returned. And yes, as I was telling Abhi that we have just started the revision and we have completed first two chapters and the goal is that we have divided all the chapters in 4 weeks. So in first week we are planning to cover first four chapters and then three, next three, next three. So that is the plan and in today's lecture we'll talk about the linear equation. So we have completed polynomials, right, Shama? In the previous class, did we complete polynomials? We have completed that, right? Yes, Shaima. Hello.
Sir, can you repeat that?
Yeah. So we have completed the polynomial chapter, right, in the previous class.
Yes, sir.
So in today's class, we will talk about linear equation. Okay, let us. Oh, it's already 10 minutes, so let's wait for 3 minutes. And I have been told that you guys were having those exams, right? Revision test exams. Maybe guys are getting late with that, right? Yes. So would you guys take that test? We should test just now. That happened a while ago. Okay, so yeah, let us wait for others and then we start, right? Let's wait 2 or 3 minutes. Yes, hello Aisha, assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Walaikum salam, walaikum salam. Okay, so it's still not here. Yeah, so let us start, right? And in the meanwhile, other people, right? So we can start. So what did we do in the last class? We talked about polynomials. So in today's class, let us start whatever we have learned. Let's revise the linear equation, right? So So linear equation where the choice. Oh, so yes, hello Tejasvi, namaste, good evening.
Good evening, sir.
So you guys, you and Abhi were competing with each other, right? So as Abir has just joined today, so and then in the same way you have just joined today, right? Okay. So you guys were having those pre-boards exam, right? And you guys please share those exam papers in the group, right? Please do that so that other people can look at those question paper and yeah, so they can prepare themselves with those question papers, right? So Abir and Tejasvi, you guys please yeah, please send those question papers in the group, right?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
And you guys have all, yeah, so you guys have also each other's numbers, so you can also share other question papers as well. Let's say science and other question papers, right? Not in the group, but yeah, personally you can share those with each other, right? So that will help you guys a lot, right? Okay, so yeah, we are just starting this linear equation in two variables, and what did we learn in this chapter? So first thing was that the degree was 1, as this name suggests, linear equation, degree was 1, and there were two unknowns, so x and y. So the algebraic representation, simple algebraic representation was what? So representation and algebraic was what? So this was simply ax plus by plus c that is equal to c. So degree is 1 and there are two variables, right? And how do we represent it graphically? So same but graphically, right? So in the graph would be a straight line, right? So graph would be a straight line. Yes, walaikum salam. So your friends have returned, right? Yeah, yeah. So Abir and Tejasvi, your companions, they have returned, right? Okay, so yeah. Oh, please fix my video. What is happening to my video? That. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, the graph would be a straight line, right? And let's say this is a linear equation. This is a linear equation. Is this a linear equation?
No, sir.
Right? And what about this one? Is this a linear equation? Yes. Is this a linear equation? This is a linear. This is a straight line, right? So this is also a linear equation, right? And let's say this one is not a linear equation. So whenever you see a straight line, so that is already a linear equation. That represents a linear equation, right? So the graphical representation of a linear equation would be a straight line. Whenever you see straight line, that is a linear equation. Okay, now how many solutions of x and y would be there for one linear equation? How many solutions would be there? Right.
One solution.
One solution. Okay, so let's say if you have one linear equation, 3x plus 4y plus 7 equals to 0. So how many solution of this equation?
So one for x and one for y.
So only one. Let's see, if I choose x equals to 1.
Infinite many solutions.
So Amina is saying infinite solutions. And everybody agree to that? Everybody agreeing to that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So whatever value of x we choose, corresponding to that, there would be a value of y. Right? So if we have only one linear equation, then it will certainly have many solutions. Right? So that is why if we want to have a different solution, then we require then we require one pair of linear equations, right? In two ways. So this will have many solutions. But what if we have a pair of linear equations, right? So let's say we have a pair of linear equation, and the algebraic representation would be what? So algebraic representation of pair of linear, right? So this is represented by a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, and the other one is a2x b2y c2, that is 0. So it will have right. So graphically there may be three scenarios, right? There are three scenarios graphically. So three scenarios, and what are those? So they would there these two lines, right? This would be straight lines. So these two lines would be intersecting, or they may be coinciding, right? And then they may be parallel to each other. Right? So right, so this is intersecting. This is coincident, and this is parallel. Right. So graphically, if you want to solve this equation, if you want to solve this equation and want to find out that how many solutions are there, right? So if it is intersecting at one point, which means that it has only one solution. So there would be only one value of x and y, which will satisfy both these equations, right? So there would be only one value of x and y which will satisfy both these equations. If these two equations are intersecting, so that would be this one, right? And if these two equations are coincident, then there would be many values, right? And if they are parallel, so there is not a point which is coinciding or which is matching with these two lines, right? So these are the three different kinds of solution graphical. But algebraically, we can tell it or we can say it by a simpler manner, right? Just by comparing these coefficients, we can talk about those three scenarios algebraically as well, right? What are those scenarios? And yeah, I guess you all are already like guys already know these things. Right? Okay, so first one is that if I have a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2, this is intersecting, and this is also called right unique solution or one solution, and this is also called consistent. And if I have a1 by a2 equals to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2, what is this? What is this?
Parallel.
Parallel, right? So this is parallel and no solution, and this is inconsistent. And if I have every ratio that is equal, so this is coincident, many solution, and consistent or inconsistent,
Consistent
right?
and dependent.
Dependent. Yeah, so we can also so whatever value of x we choose, so the other value will be dependent. Yeah. So yeah, consistent as well. Okay, so these are the kinds of solutions that we will get, right? By just comparing those coefficients. So without making the actual graphs, right? Because sometimes it may happen that the graphs, so plotting those graphs would be difficult. But this is made easy by just comparing those coefficients, right? So this is the thing that we learned in that chapter. And we also lastly, we talked about the algebraic solution. So algebraic solution of these two things, right? Or these pair of linear equations. So first method that we talked about was nobody liked this method, right? Including me as well, substitution method. And then everybody is favorite. So right. So what do we do in a substitution method? We calculate one value of variable and then put it in the seconds. What is the example of that? Let's say if we pick 3x plus 4y, that is 7. And let's say 2x plus, let's say, y, that is 3. Right. So then if we solve it, so these are the pair of linear equations, right? So if we solve it by substitution method, so I will calculate the value of y or even x from here. So let's say I calculate the value of y. So if I calculate the value of y, this would be 3x plus 4y equals to 7. So 4y is 7 minus 3x. So y is 7 minus 3x by 2. Right. And yeah, you guys, so I have seen your answer sheets, and you guys don't write these applied bys and all these things, right? So please be careful with that. So just, yeah, don't mix up these. These are very important, right? Every step is important. And don't eat up some steps and these signs, right? Okay, so we calculate the value of one variable and then put it in the second. So what would be, so if I put it in the second, so this would be 2x plus 2 and 7 minus 3x by 4. And this is equal to 3, so this would be 2. And if we solve it further, okay. Yeah, so this is 2x plus 7 minus 3x by 2 equals to 3. So this would be, I have to take the LCM, so this is 2. This is 4x plus 7 minus 3x equals to 3. So this is 4x minus 3x, so x plus 7. This goes in the other side, 6. So x is 1. So that is why nobody, yeah, so this is, nobody likes this.
The x is supposed to be -1, right?
Oh, negative 1, yes. Yeah, absolutely correct. So this is minus. Yeah, so that's why nobody likes this, right? Troubles, commerce. So yeah, this is the, and then if you want to calculate the value of other variables, so we put it So y is 7 minus 3 minus 1 by 4. So this is plus 3, so 10 by 4, so 5 by 2. So y is so this is what substitution method is. But now let us see the everybody's favorite. So what is the question? 3x plus 4y equals to 7 and 2x plus 2y that is equals to 3. So in the elimination method, right, substitution. So in elimination method, what do? We just make one of the coefficient same, right? So let's say if I want to make the x coefficient same, then I have to multiply both these things. But let's say the I can make easily the y coefficient same, right? This is 4. I can make it 4 by just multiplying 2, right? So this is easy. I can also make x coefficient same, but that would be cumbersome, right? So I can just make these y coefficients same. So this would be how much? This would be 4x plus 4y, that is 6. So this is this thing, and the earlier equation was 3x plus 4y, that is 7. If I subtract these two, so this would be minus x equals to 1. So x, how simple is this, right? Without doing all those other non-trivial things, we directly got our result. So x is minus 1, and then we put back in one of the equations. So 3 minus 1 plus 4y is 7. So 4y is minus 3, that is 7 plus 3. So this is y is 10 by 4, which is 5 by 2. So this is the elimination, right? You guys already knew. Quickly just write it down, right? And then we will do a couple of questions. Then we'll move on to the right. But we'll do some important questions for that chapter. So you guys quickly note it down, and yeah, we are moving very fast. So you guys also try some questions on your own, and we can discuss about those if you have some problems. Quickly note it down, and whenever you want to scroll down my screen, please tell.
Sir, can you scroll?
So who was there in the today's test? Who was there? All of you guys were there, or all of you were not there? Yes,
Sir, I was there.
were there, right? And what about all of you, rest of you guys? Guys,
I wasn't
missed
there,
it.
sir.
Oh, you were not there. So, but you guys got the question, right? So please try to practice that, right? And please practice those questions. And the only thing which is remaining is the practice. So practice so many questions. Right?
Done, sir.
Done. Okay, then the last one. You guys need to write this down. Elimination method. Okay, just hang of it. Just write it down. Yeah, elimination method. Yes, that part we'll practice with some other questions. Right? Whenever you guys have written this part, please.
Noted, sir.
Noted. Okay, everyone. Noted.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
so
sir.
yeah,
So
let's leave this part, right? Because this thing you guys have done this times. Let us do some right general questions. So again, we are back to the square one. So quickly, I will ask you guys some questions, right? Because first we'll do the NCERT part, right? Then I should skip these things, right? Then 1 mark question paper, and you guys have done. Um, find the dimension of the part. So this one, word problems, right? So please do this fifth. Please do this fifth question, and then tell me what is the answer that you guys have. Please do this fifth question. And graphical solution part, you guys have to it on your own because on the graph paper, yeah, how it is done that you guys already know. So please, these are very important questions, right? These questions are very important. These questions, and if you face any trouble, any doubt, please tell. Right? Yeah. These questions, please try on. Right? This one. This one is very important. But first, try this one. Because on Sunday we will meet, so before we meet, please try some question on it. And yeah, please tell me if you face any problem.
Sir, width is 16 and length is 20.
Width is 10, 14,
20.
20. Yeah. Yes, this is what Abhi is getting. What about all of you?
But even I'm getting the same.
Same. So Aisha is getting
Same, sir.
same. Tejasvi. Good. So you guys have become so fast, right? Yes.
You got the same answer.
Same answer. Good. Now only you are remaining. Yeah.
Sir, 20 and 16.
Yeah. So breadth 16, length 20. Did you get this answer? Same answer. Or
Yes, sir.
good. So everyone got the answer. So guys, please try this question on your own. Right. You will get some lines, whatever lines you will get, and they will say tell you. So this in this question they have told you by the third equation, that is the x-axis. So this is the x-axis. Let's say, right? Let's say this is the x-axis. So the triangle which is made by this line, and this line, that is this, right? And then from the graph paper you can note down the coordinates. This is these kind of questions. So you guys please try on your own, and if you face any trouble, any difficulty, please so please try this seventh question, not here on the graph paper, right? And in the next class, please tell me about this. Okay, so then NCRT is oh, substitution. Oh, so let me ask you guys a very difficult question by substitution. That's why this method is, yeah, everybody hates. I guess, yeah. If some of you guys like that method, then it's fine. I personally hate this method. So please do this question by substitution. Yes, please do this question 6-1. And it may happen that, yeah, so there are so many lengthy questions. Uh, this one is lengthy. This one is also lengthy. There are numerous lengthy questions. This one is direct. This one is direct, but these are lengthy questions. Yeah, we don't know what they may ask. We do the sixth problem and then tell. And in these kind of questions, it is better to first take the LCM and then simplify these equations even. Then it is first you guys need to simplify these equations further, and then whatever method you. So in this case, we have to apply substitution. do this question. And don't use elimination, right? The substitution method is there. So that is why I say that this is basic, right? Yeah.
Sir, I'm getting X as 2 and Y as 3.
See, this much simple answer. And what about all of you guys? Rest of you guys?
Sir, I'm getting y as -3 and x as 11.
Okay, so we have a disagreement, right? Y is -3, x is 11. Hmm. So, yes, kind of question they may ask in
Sir, I'm
this
getting X as 2 and Y as 3.
y is 3. So, Abir, you see, force 2:1 ratio. Force for 2, 3.
Yes,
Yes.
sir, I'm trying with elimination method now to see.
So, yeah, but if they can ask you this method only, right? So we have to practice this one. And you guys also saw me just a moment ago. I was making the same mistake, right? So you guys have to practice this one as well, right? Okay, let me also try this one. X by, let's say, by 2, 5 by 3 minus 2, 6, and this is 3, 9x minus 3 to the 10y. And then -2, so 9x minus 10y is -12. So 9x equals to minus 12 plus 10y. X is 10y by 9. So this is x, and let's put this value in here. So minus 12 plus 10y divided by 18 plus y by 2. This is 13 by 6. What will be that? This would be 18 to LCM is 80. This is minus 12 plus 10y.
9 3s are 27, right?
Huh? Yes, yes.
Sir, 9 3s are 27, you wrote 18.
9 3s are 20. Yes. Did I do any mistake?
Sir, the denominator you took 18.
Yeah. Okay. So this is x by 3. Oh, 3. Yes. So you saw, right? This 27, right? So 9 3s are 27. Yes, correct. So this is the 27 and LCM of 27 too. So this is 54. It right? This is, yeah. This is 50. This is 54. Then all these are multiplied by 2. 24 plus 20, and then plus how much? 27y, and then this is 13 by 6. So how much is this thing? Minus 24 plus 7y, and then 54, 13, 6y. This is 9, right? So what we will get? We will get minus 24 plus 7y. This is how much? Is 117, right? Okay. So yeah, what did I do? 7y is 1. This is how much? So I'm getting a totally out of the box different answer. That is why this. Yes. So as you guys can see that nowhere I will get this y equals to, right? Then I have to check my calculation again. Yes, rest of you guys. Did you guys see? Did you guys get the answer?
Sir, I checked, but I got it wrong.
Yeah. So that's why this method is very troublesome. This is
Yes, sir,
so.
because of sign. I got y is equal to minus 141 by minus 47. I cancelled it with 3, but minus minus I forgot to put it as plus.
Yeah.
And I took it as minus 3.
Yeah. So these are the little mistakes that we make, and then the answer is totally different. So shout out to Aisha and Shaima with their patience. They got the correct answer, right? Yes, Amira and Tejasvi.
Yes,
So
sir, I also got the answer.
Sir, I got y as 2 and x as 3.
okay, so Tejasvi and good, good. So I have not, yeah. So then I'll have to not do this problem on my own. Good. So, yeah, let's move on, right? I can move on, and you guys have some exams too, right? Okay, so we need practice in this one, right? So then you guys please do the second question. This is quite good. So this one problem is quite interesting, and this is also the important one, right? And if this is given y equals to mx plus 3, so what kind of equation is this? What kind of equation is this? Yes,
Linear equation.
a linear equation. So we'll get a straight line, right? Good. So that is totally out of context, but this would be a straight line. Okay, but the question is, yeah, you guys have to figure out the question. You guys have to find out the value of m. So please find that out and tell what you guys are getting. But yeah, so whenever I do something wrong, then something something happens inside me, and I want to make it correct, right? So I'm trying this one. You guys try the other one. This I will take the simple, not the right. So 13 by 6. This is 6. This is 3x. This is 6. Ah, why didn't I choose this one? Okay, so then this is 6y is 13 minus x. Y
Sir, I'm getting m as -1.
m is -1. So Aisha is getting m minus 1. And what about you guys? If this time I make a mistake, then x by 2 minus 5, and then this one, x by 6 is the 8 minus the this is the 18, and yeah, I guess this is 18. 90 is the
Sir,
27.
could you show the question?
Oh, question. Oh, yeah, sorry. So this is the question. This is the question. 65 plus, and that is minus 12. 57 plus 42x, then 65. Oh, not again.
I'm getting m is equals to -1.
Same,
Yes,
sir.
you are getting m equals to -1. Okay. Right. So Tejasvi is getting -1, and
Yeah.
yes, Abhi, you also.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Shaima. So what about you?
Sir, I'm also getting -1.
Good. Yeah. Then yeah, I guess I have to accept my defeat about this one. So Shaima is also right. Okay, so now then you have these word problems, right? So which one word problems? The difference between two numbers is 26 and one number is 3 times the other number. Find them. Find. The larger of two supplementary, yeah, so this one. So you guys please solve this second question. This one, right? And I have accepted my defeat. I have become rusty in my calculations. So the second time also I did not get the answer, right? So this shows that you guys have to practice, right? Otherwise, you'll be stuck in some of the questions. So please do this second question and tell me the answer. Okay.
Sir, one angle is 81 and the other is 99.
8199.
So same.
Same, sir.
One and 89.
Yeah, I got the same answer.
99, sir. 81 and
99.
99.
Oh, okay. So everybody good. So you guys have become so fast, right? Meena and also Shine. The same answer. So then, which question? Now let us increase the difficulty, right? So let's see if we have some fixed charts of this one. But this one, yeah, so they generally ask this one. So you guys do this third problem, and then we'll talk about the hard, tough one, right? So third question, this one, simple question. Oh, who got disconnected? Right? Somebody got disconnected. Abhi got disconnected.
So I'm getting the cost of bats as 500 and ball as 50.
500 and what about all of you? People got the same answer? Yes,
Yes, sir. I got the same answer.
good. Amira, your calculation, right? Okay, so speed has increased quite a lot. Same, right? Yes, Tejasvi
Yeah, I
and
got
Shah.
the same answer.
Yes, sir.
And
Same.
good. So everyone got the same answer, right? So now a couple of questions are remaining, right? Couple of questions are remaining. We will do that in the next class and then it start quadratic equation, right? Then we'll complete our right. And we'll also do some questions from the assignment one also. Those are also some crucial questions. We'll look at those ones also. But you guys on your own, please practice some questions as well, right? Please do that. And see you guys in the next class, right? Bye, guys. Bye.